the door itself, the top hook part, has never changed. I did that kind of perfect from the hop, and then I had to change the spacer that goes against the door, but it holds up to a 44-ounce Sonic drink, and even with bumps and high-speed turns and everything else, it stays right on the door.
Just like that.
Now we had to put a few napkins in the hole for our McDonald's drinks, but I think I'll make an insert for the frappe, the frappe insert, and then we might bring them to market. I don't know yet.